Alright, we're back, party people. Something missing right here. Something missing. Well, let's see where it went. I kind of missed step 2. You didn't miss much. It was basically just putting these chrome moldings on, which wasn't too bad. And then getting the rope set in the channel. That wasn't any big deal. And then actually, I did this by myself. I went in, it's one of those things. I'll just lay it in there. Well, I'll just start the bottom lip. Well, I'll just push it in. Well, I'll just work on this, and so on and so forth. And all of a sudden, the glass is in. It took me about 2.5 hours start to finish, which really, for this being the first one that I've ever done, especially solo. I used to do like square body Chevy trucks with buddies, but I don't even remember those much anymore. Those had like a bead lock, like a locking strip that went around. These don't. So for my first one, 2.5 hours, it seems to be in there. I'm gonna have to park it out in the sun and kind of just let it soak in, because I think the strip caulk that I used is not quite pliable enough where it like squished, where that would definitely be an advantage of the glazing and bedding compound. But I'm not taking it out. The only issue, and it's really not even an issue, the only concern, both corners here aren't really, it almost seems like the glass could come down and go back, but from both the inside and the outside, I can seal that with either body sealer or more strip caulk, and it'll be fine. The chrome fits nice and even. It fits nice and tight against the rubber. This once I push this back, I might have to drill a hole, an additional hole, but I'm gonna wait until I let this sit out in the sun. It'll be outside on Friday, or part of the day on Friday, on the ride up and the ride back on the trailer, and it's supposed to be nice and sunny. But otherwise, I am super happy with not only the quality of the glass, but the quality of the rubber. It actually all went pretty damn slick. I'm real happy with it. I've just been sitting in there for like the last 10 minutes. It's amazing to look out of a windshield glass. So I went and fired up the battery, put my zip ties, you probably can't see that. I put zip ties on the wiper arms per the instructions, which isn't, that's not a new trick. That, car guy's been doing that for years, just to make sure that the wiper's reset and kind of to get an idea of where the arms need to go. I'm not really going to worry about doing that just yet, because I don't have the wiper cowl done anyhow. I will probably put wiper arms on it before the car show, just in case it does rain. Sometimes it rains for that car show, right about when everybody's ready to leave. It's about right. I don't know if it leaks. Obviously, I don't know if it will. If it does, it does, I guess. Unless it's excessive, I'm not planning on pulling it back out. I think it looks awesome. It's awesome. I can't wait to see it outside. So all the glass is officially in. I put the steering wheel on now because it was in my way prior, but it's all good now. So that's all down. The horn works from the button when the battery's hooked up, of course. I need to finish my headlight switch, which I'm going to shorten the shaft and add a original style knob, I think, on it. I should try and get courtesy lights, at least one, a dome light. Should try to get a dome light in here, or I'm just going to take some Harbor Freight flashlights, magnetic ones, and stick them up there for now. The seat, I'm going to have to do something more serious with eventually. The seat cushion is just crumbling. It's that seat cushion, and it's coming apart, but it's 60 years old, So I'll either find a substitute seat, or someday I'll spend the money to have this one, have a new cushion put in it. But that's neither here nor there for right now. Windows are in, steering wheel's in. I don't know what else. I gotta check my front wheel bearings. I gotta do seat belts and rear seat. And oh, I should show you this stuff. Okay, my bumper and taillights are in pretty much for good. Bumper is on. It's not perfect, but wagon bumpers are hard to come by, and this was a great deal. I took 3 bumpers to make one good one. That's my plate. These are actually LED lights that shine on the plate, so I don't have to have the bumperettes. I don't really like the looks of them. My plan is to actually fill those holes, metal finish them, and either have this bumper re-chromed or paint it black. Not sure. This will be fine. I mean, it's not finished, obviously, but it's not rubbing anywhere. For driving it purposes, it's fine. I still want to put a trailer hitch on this, but it probably won't be this year. Nameplates. This script is supposed to say Chevrolet. I ordered something cool that I'll show you when it gets here. I'm not sure if it's going to actually work out, or how it's going to fit, or if I'm going to end up welding them holes up. I don't know, but I'll show you when I get them. So yeah, I got to check the front wheel bearings, make sure I don't have them too tight or too loose, and then I want to add the front chrome here and here, and that's pretty much going to wrap up the front end, other than making my brace for the grill, which I'm not too panicked about because I don't think I'm going to have a hood on it in time for the car show. Meh, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But boy, it must be raining out. Look at that. Raining. It's coming in on my door. That's not good. Alright, well, anywho. Glass is in. Yes, there's more chrome to go on, but I'm not going to panic about that. The windshield is not going to fall out. I'm fairly confident that that's just not going to just fall out going down the road. I mean, I don't think it's going to. I can't believe that it would. If nothing else, I'll maybe just add these, if these clips that hold the chrome hold that weather strip, I might put just the tabs on, but otherwise I don't think that's going to come out of there. I mean, how could it? I guess force against it is going to be, like that. I guess if the windshield blows out of it, I'll probably have more issues. But that's great progress for a Monday night. So super happy. Alright, I will give you a little upload on that. And we're getting closer. Boy, really getting close now. So this is awesome. Alright, see you guys later.